When it comes to the story of Yusuf alayhi salam, Allah blessed his father with 12 boys. The messenger, Yaqub, may peace be upon him, is telling his sons, don't walk through that door altogether. What was the reasoning? Go and check the tafsir. It says that he was worried about the evil eye, people's jealousy. Imagine 11 handsome, beautiful, amazing, good-looking, lovely, well-built men, all looking similar. Brothers, obviously, there would be similarities, walking through the door from one family. But when they entered the door separately, they fulfilled what their father had asked them. The father's whole reasoning was that we don't want the evil eye to befall you guys so that something bad happens to you as a result of the jealousy and the evil eye of the people.